In this video, I will show you how to access cPanel on Bluehost. If you want to try Bluehost, check the link in the description. First, go to bluehost.com and click on Login. Enter your account username and password. After logging in, go to the hosting section. Look for the option called Advanced in the menu. Click Advanced to open your cPanel dashboard. You can also go directly to cPanel using your domain. Type https:/yourdomain.com/cpanel in your browser. Replace yourdomain.com with your actual domain name. Log in with your Bluehost credentials. If you don't see cPanel, your plan might not include it. In that case, consider upgrading your hosting plan. Once in cPanel, you can manage files, email, databases, and more. Remember, you can find my Bluehost link in the description to get started. And that's it. Accessing cPanel on Bluehost is quick and easy.